Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at the stock Tesla TSLA. It's a weekly review. We are doing the weekly review pretty much every week now. I'll be doing more videos on this line in coming weeks. So let's get started. So if you look at the stock, it was a buy here, sell here, buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here, and this week it posted rock solid gains. So it is going to be a buy or a sell or a hold. Let's take a look at its chart and see what it tells us. So before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. Whatever the information I say here, everything is recorded there. And please check out our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. So when it comes to Tesla, it is no strangers to us. So you can do a search on Tesla on the website. You can find tons of articles as and when it got added to the tracker. So as of today, it is posting almost 180% gain since 324 when it's added to the tracker with a price range of 434 at the time. Now it is trading well over $1,200. And the stop loss was 399, which was never in question. And along the way, it's offered many secondary entry points that we call. So one on the May 5th with a price of 775, and another one on June 8th with 885, and July 1st 1034. So let's look at the chart and see why it was a secondary buy point. So if you guys look at the chart, it was a buy here and it was sell here. It's almost posted over 100% at the time, and it was like posting almost $1,000, but it came down quite a bit. And it was a buy here again when it found support at its 50-week moving average, and it was a buy here, which is the May 5th, and buy here it was almost June, and it was one on the July. So again, all these informations are not after the fact. I put that as and when it happens. So we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So no one knows what happened tomorrow. So that is where the speculation comes into play. So speculation is a business. So what you do is that when we speculate, we always put the stop loss. That's why I keep on insisting guys about the stop loss. So we entered into a position in the fact that it's going to go up. If it goes down below the stop loss, we sell it and move on. So when you speculate it, you stay tight when you are right and get out when you are wrong. As simple as that. And also I like the weekly settings. The weekly settings give you a very clear picture of the short-term trend. It reduces all the daily noise, so you do not caught up with day in and out moment. So weekly settings, I prefer it. And the two indicators that I follow is the 10-week moving average and 50-week moving average. So it was added to the tracker when it's found support at the 10-week moving average. It's added to the tracker when it's found support at the 200-day moving average back in March. So we stay tight as long as the stock acts right. So as of this one, this is your final entry point for now, 10.44, but this stock is now well extended beyond that line. So it almost posted 25% gain for this week. So it is well extended beyond its reasonable buy point. So at this time, if you guys are a day trader, it doesn't matter, you buy and sell it day in day out. But if you're looking for holding the stock for a few weeks, just wait for the next consolidation. It's going to offer some like this, like a 3-week tight going forward, or it might found support. It's a 50-week moving average at some point. So as of now, it's not a buy, but if you happen to have this stock, just stay tight because it has a lot more room to run. So that is my opinion for this week of the Tesla. So it's a great winner. Once in a while, like this kind of stocks get into the cycle. Every cycle you'll find one or two stocks like this in every uptrend, and this is one of the winner. So if you happen to have this stock, just stay tight. That's all guys for this week's weekly review for Tesla, and I will see you guys in another short video relatively very shortly. And this is our website, please check it out, and this is all our social media site. We love to see you guys there, and please do not forget to now subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing more videos in coming days, and have a great weekend.